hopefully record this time. Okay, so a little bit here. Let me turn off this music. Okay, how to dance cha-cha hip twist shasa. So number one, let's start with our feet together. And here, the biggest secret is not to take step back right away. So here we want to introduce body action, almost like we're going to drift forward to start that movement backward. So we drift forward like a little bit, almost body ripple on count N. And then we send our leg back 2. Now from here, we have a rock step, rocking action. So we're going to use a lot of body, but in a rebouncing way. We don't want to stop here, then we have to transfer weight back. It's going to be a little bit, we don't have much time to do that. So here, after we drift, we send our leg back, and here doing a rippling, rebouncing action where our heel almost just kisses the floor and we return. So let's try it again. And 2 and 3. And on 3, it's very important to land with a major side lead with a lot of rib cage forward. And preparing this magic button as we press it in to activate your hip afterwards. So let's try again. So we have and 2 and 3. And now from here, start your movement always from down up, meaning focus on this rib cage. As you press it in, it takes your hip forward. And now from here, many things will happen. We have to still activate the opposite side of our body, because as I stay here, my left side is very much forward. Now, as I press my rib cage in, my spine continue drifting forward, and I already start activating my opposite side to take me to the turn. And here, immediately counterbalancing myself with the shoulders. So let's try again. And 2 and 3, and one more time. And 2 and 3, and here we like to, even most of people, they count this step as a cha. This should be on count N. And on cha, we're gonna transfer with cha, feet together with a strong rib cage here. And now here we're gonna have for the body almost like a left-right feeling. Ha, wa, ne. And very important not to finish right away, but have that N, which will lead us to the next step. 2, 3, and maybe from here, let's do backward chasa. And how to do backward chasa? From here, from this hip angle, use that hip, leg, and thigh to invite this leg in and send your hip back. Cha. And cha. And when this hip gets up here, make sure you have a strong side lead. And cha, wa, ne. Melt here. Let's do all of this together, a little bit more connected way. And 2 and 3, cha, cha, 1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and. So let's try it on Zach. So I'll give you more details, and he will demonstrate. And 2 and 3, cha, cha, and 2 and 3, cha, cha. But you see, you didn't do any mistake because before you did a lot of mistakes. Now I have nothing to correct. No, but that's a good. Thank you. Because today I correct him so many things. Remember how I correct you many times? It was a long video, but I forgot to press recording. But that was good, yeah. No, I did good. No, so okay, let's try again for the audience. I'll explain them what you do. And 2 and 3. So here for you, what was your major mistake before? You were not changing this hip and using that hip and thigh to guide this leg. So this is very common mistake when instead of standing leg, you only focusing to get this leg fast. No, you want to focus on the standing leg, guiding your leg. Here being picked up, cha, cha, and here have a little bit warm left, right, upper body. And overall, when you do it faster, it has to be more continuous with the body. And maybe here we have a little bit almost like a stop. So it has a 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. Take a look. Let's go. 2 and 3, cha, cha, 3, cha, cha, 1, and. Yeah. Yeah.